thanks for coming back. For those who don't, my name's Daryl and I'm the owner of Bristol Polishing. So behind me here you see this red Mercedes C230. As you can see, the paint's quite faded on it, so we'll be bringing that back up to the luscious red that it should be. We'll be sealing that in with a 5-year Oxidized coating. On the underside, the body looks pretty good from what I've seen. We're going to get underneath, we're going to do some underbody treatment on that as well, so any loose bits of rust or anything, we'll take those off, the zinc and the soft will come back, and then we'll put our underbody treatment on there. Any of the black bits that need addressing, we'll take care of those as well. It's going to be a really good resto video. It could be a first for the channel because we haven't done anything like this in this much depth before, so if you're into your classics, this should be one for you. If you've got any questions or anything, please leave them below in the comments and I'll get back to you. Any links to anything that we recommend or anything that we're using, such as Bristol tennis splice products or Wax is Dead, then we'll have all of that in the description as well. If you've got any questions, like I said, in the comments and I'll get back to them. Yeah, enjoy the video. So for those of you who are new to the detailing side of things, or even polishing, or even haven't got that much experience, or maybe not even come across this type of finish. So on older vehicles, as you can see, the pad's gone red, because it doesn't have lacquer on it. It's what we call coach paint. So all the gloss and all the lacquer and everything is all in the paint. These are the old cellulose paints. Yeah, so obviously that's why you'll see the pads turn red from yellow. And all the cloths, even the compound that we left behind, will have a slight hint of red to it. Basically what we're trying to do is just trying to cut all of the old contaminants out and all the oxidization from all the years. Reds are notoriously bad for going pink anyway, as we're all aware. The new cars not so much because they've got lacquer and things on them, but the whole aim with this is what we're going to try and do is cut it all right back so it's all nice and shiny as best as we can, without going too crazy, and then put a ceramic on it, because the ceramic's got a UV inhibitor in it, so the UV won't be able to reach the paint. So as long as the actual pigment of the paint itself isn't beyond repair, then the ceramic will stop it from going pink again. But anyway, enjoy the video. So this Wax's Day Cleaner is a IPA based product. It's basically for removing all the old oils and things from the polishing stage. I mean, obviously it would remove waxes and things like that as well, but that's not why we're using it, because obviously we've just polished it. Yeah, it's just in preparation for the ceramic. Just make sure there's no contaminants or anything nasty in the paintwork. We'll have to polish it. This driver's side, everything below this sill we won't be doing today because there's a little bit of rust down there which needs attention. So we're sending that down to the body shop. We're going to paint that little area, send it back, and then we polish it all to coat it and do a lovely jubbly. All done. So this vehicle is going to be receiving the Wax's Day 5-year package, which is the Supreme coating. It comes with a 5-year warranty. Comes with a 5-year warranty. Got fancy little warranty card. So it's registered as well. Get a fancy little sticker at the door. So obviously you can't hear it now because we turn it off because of the video. But what we do is we always make sure our unit, the building, is at 19 degrees. We seem to find that this is the perfect sort of temperature for the curing of the product and the application. We also keep an eye on the humidity, don't want it too humid because some coatings dry quicker with humidity, believe it or not. I'm guessing it's something to do with silica in the product, because obviously silica absorbs moisture. So that could have quite a big thing to do with it. So we're going to be very generous with the ceramic on this car, mainly for the reason obviously that, as you've seen from the previous footage, it's quite pink. So all the pink has been caused through oxidization and UV damage over the years, because obviously it's not a vehicle. And these vehicles don't have lacquer on them, because obviously they're the old coach paints previously explained. So yeah, basically the coating is UV inhibitor, so it's stopping the UV from getting through to the paint and hopefully keep the paint nice and glossy and red. That is the plan.